Hello everyone, Corey Shaw, Windish RV General Manager. Sorry it's been so long that I've been doing these videos, but it's become extremely busy. I want to thank everybody for coming out and purchasing from us, and wanted to let everyone know that we have an elusive 311 reflection that I'm going to do a walkthrough on real quick. Okay, so on this 311 BHS reflection, we're looking at the outside kitchen area. They did a fantastic job with the storage that's out here, the stovetop burner that's here so you can cook, your pancakes, eggs, stuff like that. You have great storage out here. Know though, with these refrigerators out here, if you're not plugged into a campground, they won't work except for as a cooler out here. So put some Gatorade bottles that are frozen or something in there to keep everything cold. This also has a 6-point leveling system on it, electric. You have two awnings on the outside, one up front and one off of the slide. And now we're gonna go in and take a look at the inside of this beautiful trailer. Okay, now we're looking at the bunkhouse area for the kids, or if it's multiple adults back here, to be able to stay in. You have a double bunk back top here. You have the ladder that's actually built into the cabinetry here. You have a great wardrobe storage, and then you have the 3 drawers down below. As you go down to the other side of the slide out here, you have a great single bunk area here that will also lift up. So while the kids are back here hanging out and playing, they've got some space to be able to do that. But this also turns into a rollover sofa sleeper, which will fit 2 people on it. So you can technically sleep 2 in the bunk up top, 2 down here, and 1 up top, so total of 5. You also have a half bath back here in the back, so everybody doesn't have to travel up top to the bedroom to go to the restroom in the middle of the night. Okay, so one last thing about the bunk area, it actually has the door, which will allow the kiddos, when it's time for bed, to go back there and have a nice quiet room to sleep in, and allow the adults to be in this fantastic living room while everybody's sleeping. This does come with the theater seats reclining. They also heat and massage on them. It has a great entertainment center directly across from it with a 5,000 BTU fireplace that runs off of 110 power. As you walk forward here, you have a fantastic kitchen. You have a pantry that's lit on the inside. It might not seem like a big deal, but when you're looking for those Oreos in the middle of the night, it does help. As you move forward, you have a residential convection microwave up top, a 3-burner stovetop, a great size gas oven below, and then the 12 cubic foot refrigerator that runs both off of propane and 110. You have huge sinks with the sink covers, and then a fantastic storage area, which a lot of times in a bunkhouse this big, you don't have all of this storage and you don't have all of this type of countertop space. The other thing they do is a fantastic booth in this floor plan that gives you an additional sleeping space, storage space, and then a spot to be able to fit everybody around the table. Okay, now we're looking at the bedroom. It has a fantastic queen size bed up top. It's a residential queen, so 60 by 80 long, not an RV queen, which an RV queen is going to be quite a bit shorter in here. You have a great storage area with 2 wardrobes. One of them is actually in the restroom, so if you need to change, you've got some storage in there. You have 2 drawers here, and then 2 more underneath the wardrobes. The other storage in this unit is actually underneath the bed. Okay, now we're in the restroom on the 311 BH. I just want to point out the ample countertop space to be able to put toothbrushes, combs. It has a medicine cabinet up top on this side, another great storage area over here for things like your rags and stuff like that. And it has a towel bar in it. Toilet is a porcelain flush toilet, and then it's a neo-angled shower that's tall enough to be able to fit a 6'3" 3-person in it, or maybe even an NBA player. Okay everyone, that was the 311 reflection. I want to say thank you to Andrew for coming out and helping me shoot this video. Remember, these are extremely hard to find. It's a 2021 model. We only have this one in stock, hopefully a couple more coming to us. We look forward to talking to you. Contact Lakewood or Longmont for our reflection line. go to windishrv.com, and we look forward to talking to you soon.